born into a business family, yet business was never his calling.
Howrah, 500 years city. It's a city of industry, complete industry. And my father was a businessman. He always wanted to me make as an industrialist. Then I went to Madhya Pradesh for business tasks, but I could not mindset on this business. And then I got the service as journalist and then study the journalism.
He carried within him a burning ambition and a relentless drive to achieve something beyond the ordinary. He appeared for police interviews not once, not twice, but 3 times, only to face rejection each time. Sometimes it was his height, sometimes his inability to meet the running criteria. But stopping was never an option. He pursued his education with determination, completing his BCom honors from the evening section of Narsingha Datta College, Howrah. Though his father insisted he join the family business in Madhya Pradesh, his heart refused to settle there. Destiny had other plans. After a brief stint as a medical representative, he chose journalism as his true profession and went on to complete his master's in mass communication. Thus began his journey as a journalist, firm, fearless, and fueled by passion. Alongside his profession, social service became his lifelong calling. Even during his college days, he would use his savings from private tuitions to help others, funding a student's marriage, buying books and notebooks for those in need. An indomitable spirit, a fearless mind, courageous decisions, honest intentions. His interests are as diverse as his personality: photography, playing the guitar, singing, karate, football, cricket. Today, he is known as Rajkumar Mondal, a journalist and a social worker, widely recognized in Howrah's Kadmatla, where his ancestral roots lie. Politics has always been a part of his family legacy. His grandfather, though a legal professional, was actively involved in politics with the Congress and even contested as an independent candidate against Mrigen Mukherjee from the Shibpur constituency. His father, a student of the same Mrigen Mukherjee, balanced both academics and political engagement and was also closely associated with former Union Minister Priyaranjan Das Munshi. Despite such strong political and business influences, Rajkumar chose a different path for a long time. For 19 remarkable years, he served as a journalist with a widely circulated newspaper Aajkal. Beginning as a district correspondent and photojournalist, he quickly rose to prominence in sports journalism and photojournalism within a year.
I started the journalism career as a journalist. After all, I like the sports journalist. I like the sports journalism too much because I was a football player, I was a cricket player at the time of student life.
Despite the presence of many renowned sports reporters at the time, he published over 2,500 byline stories, including numerous exclusives. His career includes coverage of many World Cups and countless international sporting events. He has interviewed legends such as Viswanathan Anand, Virat Kohli, Sachin Tendulkar, P.K. Banerjee, Rahim Nabi, and Mehtab Hussain, among many others across different levels of sport. To broaden his experience, he later worked in electronic media and was associated with Doordarshan Kolkata and All India Radio. A significant milestone in his career was the book Bengal to Risina Hills, centered on India's former president, which was inaugurated by none other than Pranab Mukherjee himself at the Rashtrapati Bhavan in Delhi. Rajkumar also had the privilege of accompanying him during district visits and attending Durga Puja at his ancestral home in Kirnahar. The blessings of the former president have always been a guiding force in his life. Eventually, he took a bold step, establishing his own media house.
I worked as a sports journalist in a most popular print media. After that, electronic media, and then Now I have a sports magazine, the magazine affiliated by India government.
His magazine, Sports Spot, approved by the Government of India, is steadily growing in reach and popularity. Covering not only sports but also entertainment and politics, the magazine caters to a wide audience across and beyond the state. Alongside this, his news portal RK News delivers unique and impactful stories. The magazine itself was inaugurated by legendary cricketer Sourav Ganguly, a testament to the strong relationships he has built within the sporting fraternity. In today's world, where distractions are countless, he remains deeply committed to social service. Known affectionately as Prince in Havra, the sports journalist has been actively involved in relief work during floods, providing financial assistance to cancer patients, helping with hospital admissions, facilitating school and college enrollments, and standing beside people during the COVID-19 pandemic. His straightforward and outspoken nature has often drawn him into controversies, but he has always emerged victorious. A man of integrity and unwavering principles, he refuses to bow down to anyone. Despite repeated invitations to enter politics, he remains undecided, choosing instead to walk his path with dignity and clarity. With unshakable determination and a commitment to truth, this strong-willed, precedent-blessed sports journalist, Rajkumar Mondal, continues his journey forward.